Wisdom, one plumber. Yeah, blessed greetings, my people. This is the task at hand. We are going to be replacing this Basin mixer faucet from this to this. All right, so catch us in the process. So first thing we want to do is to turn off the water supply, which is normally under the basin, as you know, right? The anger valves. After we take them off, we're gonna disconnect the pop-up. All right, so disconnecting the pop-up from the side. So all we need to do is to loosen this little clip here. And we just want to loosen the nut. When we loosen the nut, it gives us access to pull out the pop-up stem. This. Then we're going to use our Basin wrench to remove the flex tubes. Right, that's one loosened already. You may get a little bit of water, so we have our rag. You just spread it and it will absorb the minor amount of water that will be leaking from the flex tube. Alright, let's remove the next flex tube. I would have just removed the hot water side, so we're going to be removing the cold water side now. Let me go to the other angle so I can get a better reach. Alright, cool. I want the hands to come off. Alright. So I hope it is as easy as mine for you. Because remember, I know, the less work we have, or the less difficulty we have as plumbers, is the better for us. Alright, so let's see if the lock nuts on the basin is easy as well. No, they are tight. Alright, so we use our basin wrench again to remove the lock nuts. Alright, so just unscrewing the lock nuts now. Alright, so first lock nut off. Second lock nut off. And all we need to do is just to wiggle. And the mixer will pop out. Then we use our knife just to clean off the surface of the basin. Preparing for the attachment of the new mixer. So what we're doing is just scraping off the old silicone that is on the basin. I'm going to tell you something. You don't want a doctor fee I do one surgery for you and do it half done. No, you wouldn't want that. So as plumbers, you better do the thing good, done and done, not sure. Same so. So the same importance you have to take in the job we are doing. So don't cheat the system, people. Just do the thing the right way. It look far better than how it was, right? Yes, that's the result that we wanted, right? Ensure the surface is clean so the silicone has a good area to bond with. Yeah, so install a new faucet now. So applying the silicone to the faucet itself. You don't need an extreme large amount. You just need just to coat the area that will be sitting on the basin. Alright, that good? And you just mount it in place. Put a generous amount of pressure downward so it holds the surface. Then we're going to be securing back the new lock nuts. Securing the new lock nuts, as I said before, people, you don't want to over tighten the lock nuts. Remember, it's plastic, and if you over tighten the plastic, it is going to break. I can't find the thread. Hold on, I'm gonna try the next one. Alright, cool. I found this one. Let us see if I can find the other one now. Ah, there we go. I found the other one. Alright, so we're hand tightening it as much as you can. I know some person may be a little bit stronger than I am, but you hand tighten and it won't move. Trust me, it won't move. And you just clean up the silicone that is around the area. So that quick and fast. So we're securing back the flex tubes in place. All right. I'm just pulling off the aerator screen so we can flood water through the system. Because remember, we don't want any blockage of the aerator. Alright, so we're going to be testing the water flow. And also testing for leaks. So turn on. Not bad, that's nice. We're just checking for leaks now. We are not picking up any leaks. We can
secure back our aerator screen. Screw it back in place.
And I'm gonna permit myself to use the basin wrench to tighten the aerator screen, alright? Normally I would use my channel lock to tighten it, but I'm gonna permit myself to use the basin wrench to tighten it. You don't need to over tighten it. Good. And that's it, my people. So please remember to like, share, and also to subscribe. Leave your comments, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask people. Wisdom again here, the plumber.